Hi everybody, hope you all guys are doing awesome. In today's video, we are gonna looking into list. First of all, what is list? Mostly we are using lists for ordering data. Now there is two type of lists. One is order list and one is on order list. Now come to the code and we will gonna discuss it. We're writing order list with OL and one is on order list. Then we are writing on order list with UL. OL means order list and UL means on order list. These are two tags in HTML. If I write OL and press enter, you can see now the text is complete. Now if I also put on order list, now every list contains items. Like if you have a fruit list, you will have items like apple, apricot, banana, orange, and much more. So every lists have items. Remember, every list have item. And inside of OL, we're gonna write every list item with li. For every list item, we are using li tag. Okay, now we know how we can put our items inside of it. Just write apple li, and that's it. Let's check it out. Open with live server. By open it, you guys can see lists and fruits list. It's the list of fruits. Apple, banana, orange. And you guys can see on the side, one, two, three. Now this is order list. Let me tell you on order list. Same here, put li because every order list and on order list have contains items. Now the list item we have also maths, mastery, programming. We have four subjects. Well, you guys can see we have math, chemistry, biology, programming. And you can see there is no such kind of numbering like in our list. We have just dot, 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 dot. And that's it. That's it. This is our lists. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.